Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to disable notification on Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to disable notification on Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly click on start, after go icon settings, after click on system and left panel here option notification and action, so click on that is and get notification from apps and other senders. If you want to enable, so toggle on position, and if you want to disable, so toggle off position, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to disable or enable notification on Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.